excretion in plants. Excretion means removal of harmful substance or waste material like ions, water and gas from the body of plant. These substances are produced by metabolic process. Metabolic means breaking of molecule and formation of molecule. So in the body of plant, metabolic process occur, many molecules are broken down and many new molecules are formed. During this process, waste material or waste substances are produced like iron, water and gases. These are removed. When these waste material, iron, water and gases are removed, we call it excretion in excretion process. And excretion is also the part of homeostasis. In the plants, the rate of catabolic process means breakdown process is very slow and waste material are produced in less amount. प्लांट की बॉडी के अंदर जो वेस्ट मटेरियल के ब्रेक डाउन का प्रोसेस है, जो मॉलिक्यूल्स के ब्रेक डाउन का प्रोसेस है वो स्लो होता है और उसमें जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस होती है प्लांट के अंदर वो उसकी क्वांटिटी स्मॉल होती है. These ions which are produced during the breakdown process, they are again recycled in their anabolic process, means formation of molecule. प्लांट की बॉडी में जो ब्रेक डाउन का प्रोसेस होता है कैटाबोलिक, उसमें मुख्तलिफ आयन प्रोड्यूस होते हैं जो दोबारा रिसाइकिल होते हैं और उन आयन से डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स की फॉर्मेशन होती है. Unlike animals, the food of plant is carbohydrate or glucose, not proteins or lipids. Whenever protein or lipids break up, they produce a large quantity of waste material. But whenever glucose breaks up, which is the food of plant, this glucose or carbohydrate on breaking produce carbon dioxide and water. So whenever plant make their food by photosynthesis glucose, it breaks up and produce carbon dioxide and water, which are not very harmful for plants, and these are again reused or recycled by the plants. So normal waste substances which are produced in the body of plant are water, extra gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen, and extra ions or elements. So water, gases and ions are the waste substance and their removal method is different. Removal or excretion of water. Water is removed by two methods which we have already studied. Transpiration, number one. Number two, guttation. When the water vapors are removed from stomata in the form of vapors, it is called transpiration. So plant remove water in the form of vapors from the stomata of leaves. Other method of removal of water is guttation. This is the diagram of transpiration. Whenever sunlight fall on the leaves, the stomata, water present in the upper surface of leaf, come out in the form of vapor from stomata. It is called transpiration. When we cover the leaves with plastic, then we see the water vapors, and when the water vapors become cool, they turn in the form of water. So this proves the transpiration process. Guttation process is removal of water drops. Water is removed from in the form of small drops from the border of leaves or tips of leaves. Tip or border of leaves contain pores. Small pores are known as hydatodes. From these pores, water in the form of liquid comes out. It is called guttation. So plant remove the water by the process of transpiration and guttation. This diagram also shows the process of guttation, and these leaves are spiny and their tips are removing water drops. Removal of gases. Plant release two type of gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen. So excretion of gases. In the daytime, plant release carbon dioxide during respiration. Plant take oxygen and remove the carbon dioxide during respiration. In the daytime, plant also produce oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. So in the daytime, plant release carbon dioxide during the respiration. Plant take oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from stomata. In the daytime, plant also produce oxygen gas. Oxygen is produced in the process of photosynthesis. when plant prepare their food. In the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide come inside and water molecule. Carbon dioxide join with water. Water molecule Water molecule breaks up in the process of photosynthesis. It release oxygen. So in the daytime, plant produce two type of gases: carbon dioxide in respiration and oxygen during photosynthesis. Oxygen come from the breaking of water molecule. These both gases are removed by stomata, pores on the leaf. In the night time, photosynthesis process does not occur. So in the night time, only plant only release carbon dioxide during respiration. So excretion or removal of gases occur by stomata. Then removal of ions or elements. Excess amount of ions means extra elements which are produced in the body of plant by metabolic process, breaking and formation of molecule. So plant produce extra amount of ions which are stored in the dead cell of plant body. प्लांट बॉडी में कुछ डेड सेल होते हैं जो तीन जगहों पर मौजूद है. नंबर 1 लिखा है बार्क. बार्क इज द आउटर डार्क ब्राउन लेयर ऑफ द स्टेम. दरख्त का जो तना होता है उसका बाहर वाला लेयर, पहले तो जब प्लांट छोटा होता है वो ग्रीन होता है स्टेम. बाद में प्लांट दरख्त बड़ा हो जाता है, उसके बाहर स्टेम पर आयन जमा होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो दरख्त का बाहर वाला लेयर खुश्क होकर ब्राउन हो जाता है, उसको कहते हैं बार्क. बार्क इसलिए डेड हो जाता है और ब्राउन क्योंकि इसके अंदर एक्स्ट्रा आयंस स्टोर होते हैं. तो प्लांट स्टोर आयंस इन द बार्क आउटर डेड पोर्शन ऑफ द स्टेम which appears dark brown. Number 2 portion, heartwood. Heartwood is the central dead portion of xylem tissue. Xylem tissue supply water from root to the leaves. The central part of xylem become dead and dark brown. When we cut the stem of a tree, we see the central dark brown portion of the stem. This dark brown portion is the dead tissue of xylem. The outer portion of xylem is light brown or yellow, which perform the conduction of water. Xylem का जो बाहर वाला पोर्शन है स्टेम पर, जब हम स्टेम को काट कर देखते हैं तो बाहर वाला पोर्शन लाइट ब्राउन होता है जो पानी को ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है. बाकी जाइलम का जो सेंट्रल पोर्शन है दरख्त का वो डार्क ब्राउन हो जाता है, डेड. उसको हार्टवुड कहते हैं. हार्टवुड के अंदर भी प्लांट एक्स्ट्रा आयंस स्टोर करता है. तो एक्स्ट्रा आयंस जो है वो रिमूव हो जाते हैं बार्क के अंदर और हार्टवुड के अंदर, वहीं पर स्टोर होते हैं. लीफ फॉल एक प्रोसेस है विच आल्सो हेल्प इन रिमूवल और एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा आयंस. दरख्त के पत्ते नॉर्मल ग्रीन होते हैं, जब उनके अंदर एक्स्ट्रा आयंस जमा होना शुरू हो जाते हैं तो दरख्त के पत्ते येलो होकर ब्राउन, रेडिश ब्राउन होकर दरख्त से गिर जाते हैं. तो whenever leaf fall occur, extra ions are removed from the body of plant, and plant also store the extra ions in the bark tissue and heartwood, and these both tissue become dead and dark brown. So in this way we studied the process of excretion in the plants.